Video I'll be showing you how to make a Dodge game. So here, just type it in Dodge, like I always do before I make a new project. First, go to the event section, get the when click block, then go to the motion section, then get the change Y by -45 here, change Y by 10, but make it change Y by -45, then get the hide block. Next, go to the control section, then get the forever loop. After that, go to the motion section, then get the change Y by 10, but just change it to -4 over here, okay? And just attach it to the forever loop. Now, once you're done that, get the if-then block, then go to the sensing section, then go to the key space, press, then change it to left arrow and then just attach it. After you've done that, go to the motion section, then get the change X by 10, but change it to -10, like always. -10 here and just attach it again. Now go to the control section, get another if-then block, then attach it to the forever loop. Now just duplicate it by pressing duplicate. Now just change it by changing it to let's see. Yeah, anyway, just change it to right arrow. Oh yeah, change it to right arrow. Then go to the motion section. Then change it to point in direction of 90. Now get the change X by 10 block. You don't have to do any minuses today now, unless I tell you to do it in the game. Now, oh, I forgot a demo. Do the demo. What the game would look like. You would be at least a little bit more interested in this game. But you can't jump because the whole point is to stay on the ground and not let cats touch you. They just save themselves. Okay, anyways, now go to the control section, get the if-then block. Who cares if I already said it again, just double checking. Now get the touching color black. If it's any color and not black, just change it all the way to black. That's all. Now attach it to the if-then block. Okay, and attach it like here. You see this white outlining on the if-then block like that. Now go to the motion section, get the change Y by 5 block, attach it. If it's 10, change it to 5, and then just attach it over there. Now, okay, now get another if-then block, and then get the touching cat 2, because cat 2 is our enemy. I'm going to show you later. So change it to cat 2. Wait, actually? Yeah, wait. Actually, yeah. If you can't, just get another sprite. Type in cat. Then get this cat thing here. I'm just doing it double times just to show you what it will be looking like. Now just change it to cat 2. If it's not cat 2, then if-then touching cat 2 stop all. You don't have to play the code yet. Get the stop all and just attach it over here. Okay, now get the when I receive start game. But in order to do that, you gotta go and click broadcast, new message. Now just type in start game. Press OK. Now get the when I receive and change it to start game. I'm just doing double times just to show you. Now get the show button and just attach it over there. Now let's go and move on to the start button. Okay, now we're going to go and design on our button. Go to the costume section. Just kind of like, let me see. Just get, you can just design your own start button, whatever you like. I'm just making this even though it looks kind of a little bit ugly, but just start button on it now. Like fix it and make it like look more good afterwards. Okay, now get the when click block and then go to the look section and then go and get the show button. Because every time you click the screen flag block, you always want it to show. Okay, now get the when this right click. Now go to the look section and get the hide block, because when you click, it's supposed to hide. That's what many start buttons do in games, like some computer games. And broadcast start game. And now we're gonna use the broadcast start game, the one you used it for the player one. So broadcast, make it start game. I'm just doing it 2 times just to show you. Okay. Anyways, now remember I told you that we gotta get cat 2. Click on this cat 2 sprite. Now get the one click block. Switch costume to cat A. You don't really have to do it, but I will. And get the hide block. Now change ghost effect by 0. Get it? Now go to this motion section. Now if it's not 0, 0, then just change it to 0, 0 over here. Okay. Now get change Y by 450 because you want it to go all the way up to the top, and then it drops down, which increases more gravity. So now get the forever loop, attach it to the change Y by 450, and then now get the wait 2 seconds block, just put it over here. Okay, so now go to the motion section, get the glide 1 second to random position, but just change it to 2. Let's change it to 2. Okay, now change it to player 1 because you always want the enemy pointing towards you, because the whole goal is to not let the enemy touch you, which is basically cat 2. And then cat. The enemy is cat 2, and the enemy cat 2 always has to point towards player 1. So go instead of doing that, point toward player 1 over here. Now change Y by -4. And get a change Y by 10 block, but just change it to -4. And then get the change Y by 5 to get this cool, amazing effect by doing this bouncy thing. Okay, now that you did that, get the if-then block, and then get a sensing section. Grab the black. If it's not black, just change it all the way to black. Color black, saturation black, and brightness 0. Okay. Now get the change X by 5, because you always want that thing, the enemy, to keep moving over here. You always want this enemy thing to keep moving and pointing towards you. So now that you did that, go to Y00. As you notice that I also got a 0Y0, because you always want it to keep repeating the same game loop every time. Now go to the motion section, get the change Y by 1,000,000,000. I don't even know what I wrote. Just change it to at least 1,000 trillion. I might not even have done 1,000 trillion, but at least just change it to like 1,000,000,000 or trillion. Okay, now anyway, who cares about that? Get the wait 1 second block, attach it to here, but make it 2 seconds, so then the player gets a little ready. As I told you, this is only basics. You can change whatever code you want, but I'm just showing you the basics here. Now get the hide block over here, and then make it hide. Now create clone of myself. You can just get create clone of myself here and just attach it to the next block. Now go to the motion section. Now get the change Y by 450. As you noticed, I already got 450 over here because you want the game loop, as I already told you. Okay, now over here, show, you want it to show. Now go to the control section, get the if-then block, and then get touching player 1, and then get the stop all thing. Now go to the background noise, and then go and get the black, get the black platform, and just go and get the rectangle thing, and then just go here, color 100, saturation to 100, and then just go to this. Just paint it like what I did. Okay, anyways, if you want to make some background music, that's extra. You probably already noticed that I already taught you the latest, the newest video I ever did. for my YouTube channel. So bye-bye. Please subscribe and save my video. And please consider a nice comment if you will. Bye.